Sabina Bhardwaj from class 6th A. On behalf of all the students, I am honored to wish Director Ma'am, HOS Ma'am and all the teachers Happy Teachers Day. You all made our teaching and learning enjoyable in this COVID time and created a magic in our lives. So today we have tried our part of effort to wish you Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
मेरे स्कूल का नाम राजशक्ति विद्यालय है और मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ ट्रैश टॉय। This is made up of white.
I will show you the toy that I have made at the home. The name of the toy is Bubble Jammer. So, I had taken the cap of a plastic bottle and removed the center part like this. Like this, and take another empty trash to make the sub solution like this. Dip the holder into sub solution. Blow air. Woohoo! Bubbles everywhere.
For making mystery tea, I have used material: a bottle cap, 2 magnets, a old refill, and a doll sticker. Anybody make it at home. It is very easy to make mystery. I have assembled the part of mystery tea. Do you want to say mystery tea? Okay, I will see you mystery tea. See, mystery tea is here. Do you know mystery tea twists very fast? See, mystery tea is twisting.
You can see repelling force makes the doll rotate. With the help of certain materials like nut bolt, black sheet, screwdriver, some metal tools and magnet, I make my toy car. My toy car is different. It is चिप कार. आपने वो गाना तो सुना ही होगा, जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वहीं चले आते हो, ये तो बताओ कि तुम मेरे कौन हो. I named it chip car as it is using property of magnet that, unlike poles, attract each other. Whenever the north pole of magnet in my hand is brought closer to the south pole of magnet, it fitted the car, then it gets attracted. Thank you. Let's name a homemade spinning wheel. So for this I need 2 bottle caps and a pan cap. If you don't have a pan cap, so you can take a refill, empty refill, a body of the pan and a rubber inside it, and a toothpick you have to cut in a small piece. Now see how it's work. So you have to play like this. You move this sketch pen's cap like this. Now you can see it's folded. Now put it down on a table or a floor and stretch like this and leave. It's moved. Now you can see it's not moving on the table, but you move on the floor. I have taken a square shaped paper, so we have to fold it like this. I have already written the numbers and colors and the names like this. So we have to play like this. Hello. Okay. Tippy top, which color you want?
Hello friends and ma'am, my name is Yansh and today I made a toy. My toy is windmill. I use a eraser pencil, agarbatti stick, paper and sparkle sheets. This is too easy to make. Thank you ma'am. I very enjoyed this activity. Bye.
Hello friends, my toy is light lamp flipping. I have taken 10 or more. You can take colorful long strips of paper. One long stick to attach it with the paper. 2 small pieces of cardboard. Taken one LED tube. And see, it's so simple to assemble the paper strip at the 2 points of the stick. And my toy is ready. Let's shoo away the darkness. Thank you.
magnet crash toy. So I make a swing. It's made of cardboard, sketch pens, ropes and magnets. So I will set the magnet in the swing, and under the swing the magnet.
Take your hand, left hand, and put your thumb at this point. Then push it and press it. Then pull it. So your bow is made. Now let's try it. First of all, take your bow, place it here.
Hello everyone, my name is Niharika, class 6th from Rashtriya Shakti Vidyalaya. Today I am showing you a toy. This toy name is windmill. I have made it with some colorful sheet, stone and stick.
Today we will present toy. My toy name is turbine. If the wind blows, it will run.
I have made my toy car. My car name is non-magnetic and non-touched car. Today I have made a car from water bottle caps. You will find it moving only when I have bring magnet toward it. The car has a magnet. So when I will bring two light poles together, they repels as this force move the car.
With which thing I have needed bamboo sticks and 3 papers, tape and coin and a magnet for moving it. Can you see the coin was moving? See this.
This is a magnet. See, this is moving.
Class 6th from Rashtriya Shakti Vidyalaya. I am showing you a paper knife. I have made it some colorful sheets.